Hi, I'm Pippa from CraftPixie, and I just wanted to show you something called what I've called the snowflake stitch, and it's something I developed when I was creating these kind of cute little Christmas stockings, and it was just a way of making those single crochet sort of pop out. So let's have a look and see how we make these. I prepared two samples. Here's the first one. This is the usual way of doing your back loop single crochet. And here's the snowflake method. Here you can see how you can clearly see those two loops. They're really more obvious. If I could sort of put them together and compare them, you can clearly see the difference. And on the sort of lattice work part, you can see those seem to disappear, whereas on this side, they really do pop out. So let's go see how we do this. So just to remind you, this is what they usually look like when you've done some lattice work. But let's have a look at the snowflake version. So when you do the previous row, you're going to just do it as you would normally with some back loop single crochets. There's no magic here. But when you get to the next row, this is where it all happens. So it's where you actually make the stitch. So we normally do it in the back loop, but we're going to do something different. We're going to take the hook through the two loops from back to front, and then we're going to find where we made our previous single crochet, the previous row, and push the hook through and make our single crochet there. Just going to quickly do a double crochet here. So let's try again. Push the hook through from back to front under both loops, and then can you see where that hole is where you made the single crochet from the previous row? That's where you want to push your hook. Swing it round, push it through. Can you see that? And make your single crochet. So let's give it one more go just to make sure you can see how to do it. Push your hook through from back to front through both loops. Swing the hook round. Push it through the back loop of the previous to one's row. Swing the hook round, push it through. There's your little combined bit. Just there. And make your single crochet. So I think that really does give an interesting effect. And if you compare it to how you would normally work, you really can see the difference. Obviously I've used an Aran so you can see it, but I really like this stitch, and I hope you do too. So if you found that video useful, it'd be great if you could like it or even subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you've used the stitch, if you found this video useful. It's really helpful to me. Anyway, see you next time.